welcome back to Amelia's Mega Toy World, and today I have two Easter things that we're gonna unbox. So I got some Easter eggs. They're not chocolate, they're plastic. And I got some Easter crackers. So we're gonna open up the Easter eggs. So I got some scissors. I'm just gonna cut this open. You get 8 eggs in total, and they do come apart, and they have ears on them, but it is hard to put them back together. There. So 8 of them. They even have little bunny tails. So 1, 2, 3, 8. So you get these cute little eggs. There. Now we're gonna open up the Easter crackers in this box. It's an 8-pack too. Okay, just need to cut that. There will be, I think, 4 of the same. Okay. I'm gonna open this one. So, why did the chicken say meow, oink, bobo, and meow? He was studying languages. Next, pink hat, egg sticker, and so when I was opening up the last one, the stuff came out by itself. So I got another dark pink hat. This time I got eggs on the sticker. And why can't you tell jokes to an egg? Because it will crack up. Next one. So, the same sticker, same dark pink hat. Next one, I think they'll all be dark pink and light pink hat. Light pink hat, same as usual. Couldn't make that one stand. Same egg sticker. What did one magnet say to the other? I find you very attractive. Next. Oh, this one's interesting. I got a dark, maybe navy blue hat. Samey eggies. So I took out the last one, navy blue hat, sticker, and this joke. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!